Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Texas style rub at home with that Texas kick. Stay tuned. So for this Texas kick style rub, you're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need some table salt, regular salt, about a pound's worth. You're going to need some black pepper, some chili powder, some ground paprika, some garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and onion powder. Now all these ingredients, for the exception of that one, I got them at the dollar store. So this will set you back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About $7, maybe $8 worth. So as I mentioned, the very first thing you want is your base, which is your pound of salt. And then you're gonna wanna add, this is ground pepper, regular ground pepper. You're gonna wanna add 3 ounces of ground pepper to the mix. This chili powder, you're gonna wanna add 4 ounces to the mix. The next one would be your ground paprika. This one's gonna be 2 ounces. We're gonna add that to the mix. The next one is your garlic powder. This one's going to be 2 ounces of garlic powder. Now for this cayenne pepper, this is really up to you. I'm only going to add 1 ounce because I do want to have a kick. But if you want to add even more of a kick, you want to add another ounce. So it would be 2 ounces for you, but I'm going to add 1 ounce for me right here, 1 ounce. And when you can taste the rub afterwards, if you feel like you want more of a kick, then you would add that extra ounce. If not, you just leave it the way it is. And then we're going to add 2 ounces of onion powder. So from here, the only thing else that's left to do is just to stir it in, mix it in. This mixture should give you like a nice little red tone-ish type of mixture. Now all I have to do is bottle this, but that's pretty much it. That's how you mix this up. This will be very good for especially briskets, ribs, anything that you want to do that's beef based. This is a real good rub to try out. I mean, it's gonna set you back about $8, but it's gonna yield a lot. So the last step here is to put it into some of your containers. What I did is I started saving some of my containers that I bought from rubs from. So I have one of these that looks like this, another one from the chili powder, and another one from Texas barbecue. All I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna throw this in here. Honestly, one of these will set you back, Rudy's rub will set you back about $12, $13, and something like this will set you back about at least $6 to $8. They're kind of expensive, they're kind of pricey, and I'm gonna be able to fill up at least 2 of these for about $8. I might even fill up a little bit of this one. So let's see how much this thing can actually yield. There's no real easy way of doing this. All you have to do is start spooning the rub into your containers. This one gave me at least half. You're looking at 8 ounces here, so this one gave me a full one, and a second one. So this is 12 ounces here. This is another 10 ounces, and this would say at least another 4. So you're looking at about 26 to 28 ounces of pure seasoning that you can use. All right. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. But this has been the Smoking Beard, showing you how you can make your own Texas style rub with a kick at home. Thanks for watching.